Welcome everybody, I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 11th and we are going to take a look at what Tesla did today. I'm not a financial advisor, I just do this for fun and I share it with you. So what happened with Tesla today? So really interesting day. Tesla closed at $699.60, up 31 bucks, close to 5% up. It's funny because I was looking at the stock just right before 4 o'clock and it really closed at 703 cents. But now it seems like the official close is at 699. So just a little bit shy of 700. Post market is at 700, right on the money, 700. When I look at my chart here, you've seen this horizontal support before, so I drew it here December 18th. I drew it also on top of December 30th, and we have some candles that touch beneath. We have some candles that touch above. So this one here, also this one here. This one is not really right on the money. So basically, I think that there is a support at 697, which is just shy of the nice big round number 700. So usually the support lines and resistance line tend to fit on an even number, but in this case, it seems to fit at 697. So if we take the 697 support, we can say that we closed above it today. And this is basically what I was saying yesterday. I was saying 700. So, it's not always that precise. So if I see 700, so basically the stock is right on that number. It's definitely out of the downtrend that the stock has been in for a long time. If we look at stochastic has climbed quite a bit. Stochastic is up at 50%, even a little bit more than that. The MACD is really coming nicely. So the MACD, the blue line is crossing the red line going above. So if I look at the numbers, if I look at the numbers, we have the blue line at minus 38 and the orange line at minus 36. So the lines still have not crossed, but it's going to be very, very soon. The DMI is pretty much the DMI is pretty bullish. So I'm trying to decide if it's a buy or not. Let's look at the hour chart. So each bar equals an hour. So I sometimes do this to look at it a bit more clearly in finer details. So if we look at this, we see that we closed above the 697 and stochastic is really strong. The MACD is very bullish and the DMI is also bullish. So this is comforting me a little bit. I gotta be honest with you guys. I bought Tesla. I went in just before 4 o'clock today. Is there some risk? Yes, there is still some risk because stochastic is not super high. MACD still has not crossed and DMI has surely not crossed at all. But I have been following Tesla for a long time and the Tesla stock sometimes like to gap in the morning. So a gap in the morning is when the candle during that day has some space between the previous candle. So the price is not going up in a linear fashion, it just jumps. And Tesla has a tendency to do this very often. So this is why I kind of jumped the gun here by entering today before 4. I don't know if it's a good call. And if we look here, you can see some gaps here. There's a gap here. There's another gap here. So Tesla is gapping a lot. It's gapping down and it's gapping up. So I bought in, but I also purchased a put option to cover me in case there's something. Well, in case the stock is going down tomorrow. So I kind of decided that this would be the strategy that would be best for me. But clearly, Tesla is doing well. I don't usually like when stocks go down very fast like this and then go back up very fast. I don't like those moves. But those moves happen sometimes, and sometimes it's just a fluke. So maybe those 4 red candle days were just a fluke, and then the stock recovered, and basically we could almost erase those days, and basically I think the stock was just trending sideways. So if I do a support line like this that touches this candle here, it almost touches perfectly this one. So this is another indication that is telling me that, well, maybe this is what is really happening. I don't think Tesla will go very, very high tomorrow, but I just wanted to be in. I think Tesla will just go sideways a little bit before inching up higher. That's my hope. Now I don't want Tesla to go down anymore since I'm into it. Another thing I wanted to share with you about, another way you can do technical analysis is to draw trend lines on what should I say, on indicators. So if I take a horizontal line here, I can do this. So I can do a horizontal line on this peak in the stochastic, and we see that the stochastic has broken that support line. So this is another indication telling that, well, there is some force in the market. So Tesla might range between 724 and 662. So I think that it's fair play for Tesla to be between these two lines. I hope it doesn't go down too much, but I think this is where I see Tesla in the next few days. So we'll see if I'm right. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Please write in the comments if you agree with my decision to buy Tesla. Tell me if you think Tesla is going to go back up very sharply, or if it's going to go sideways for a while. So please let me know, and we'll talk tomorrow. Goodbye.